Welcome to our beginner's guide on Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of MS Word, covering an overview of the software, understanding its interface, and how to start and close the program. Microsoft Word, or simply MS Word, is a widely used word processing program developed by Microsoft. It's a versatile tool that helps you create, edit, and format documents. Whether you're writing a letter, preparing a report, or crafting a resume, MS Word offers powerful features to enhance your work. Now, let's take a closer look at the MS Word interface. At the top of the screen, you'll find the ribbon, a collection of tools organized in tabs, such as Home, Insert, Layout, and more. Each tab contains groups of related commands, making it easy to perform various tasks like formatting text, inserting images, or adjusting page layout. Below the ribbon, you'll see the document area where you type your content. The status bar at the bottom displays important information, like the page number and word count. To start MS Word, simply click on the Start menu or use the search bar, type Word, and click on the application. Once it opens, you can choose to create a new document, open an existing one, or use a template. When you're done, closing MS Word is just as easy. Go to the top right corner and click the X button or press Ctrl+W to close the document. Remember to save your work before exiting. That's it for this introduction to MS Word. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into formatting, editing, and other advanced features. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.